high or when both of the inputs are high. And the output refers to the local alarm which rings continuously and warns the people that the manhole in this region is faulty. The second output is the CC1110DK transmitter. When this again is programmed such that it sends a pulse to the receiver whenever it receives a high input from the microcontroller. The receiver will assume it's kept at some local municipal office so that people then know that the manhole is faulty and come and rectify the faults. In this way, we propose to take care of all faults in the system and reduce the number of accidents caused. Now we will shift to the system description. This is the photosensor circuit using OPT101J and LM339N, which are Texas analog ICs. When light falls on the OPT, this circuit generates a high output, which in this case is shown by the glowing of a LED. This output acts as the first input to the microcontroller. Here we have covered the OPT so that no light falls on it and the LED is also not glowing. This shows that in absence of light, the LED does not glow, that is, there is a low output. If the manhole lid breaks, light enters the manhole, which is detected by this circuit. This is the magnet reed switch circuit. We have assumed that the magnet is connected to the manhole lid and the reed switch circuit to the wall. When the lid is loose, the magnet comes close to the reed switch and a high output is generated, which in this case is shown by the glowing of the LED. This high output acts as an input for the microcontroller. Now we demonstrate using the microcontroller MSP430G2 launchpad. We have programmed the microcontroller so that when both the inputs are high, we get a high output, and also when either of the inputs are high, we get a high output. We place the photosensor and magnet reed switch circuit at the input and local alarm and CC1110DK transmitter at the output to get the desired results. Now we demonstrate the local alarm circuit using IC UM3561, transistor STS9013 and a piezo buzzer. This circuit is connected as an output to the MSP430. When either or both inputs to the microcontroller are high, the buzzer rings continuously to warn the people. Now I show the CC1110DK transmitting unit. It is programmed such that it sends a signal to the receiver whenever it receives a high input at pin 1.6. The receiver is kept at a distance from the transmitter. The output pin of the MSP is connected to the input of the transmitter. When the transmitter receives a high input from the MSP, the required signal is transmitted. This is the receiver which has received the desired signal. Now I show the final demonstration. This is the photosensor circuit, this is the magnet reed switch circuit, this is the MSP430 launchpad, this is the buzzer circuit, and this is the CC1110DK transmitter. Both the inputs are low in this case because the OPT is covered, so there is no light falling on it, and there is no magnet near the reed switch, so this circuit is also not complete, and we see that neither the buzzer is ringing nor is there a signal transmitted from the transmitter, that is, both outputs are also low. Now I'll let the lid fall so that the magnets come close to the reed switch. The lid is broken, so the magnets are close to the reed switch. The LED in that circuit shows that that circuit is also working. At the output, we see the buzzer is ringing as well as the transmitter is transmitting a signal, which is being received at the receiver. This is the receiver. It has been kept at some distance from the transmitter, and the LED glowing shows that the signal has been received on the receiver. In this case, the photosensor circuit is generating a high output because light is falling on the OPT101. As you can see, the buzzer is ringing and the transmitter is transmitting a signal, and this is the high outputs from the microcontroller. This is the case when both the inputs are high, that is, the lid has broken and the magnets are close to the reed switch, as well as there is light because of the photosensor circuit that is detected. And we see that the buzzer is ringing as well as the transmitter is transmitting a signal. This is the signal which has been received at the CC1110DK receiver. We have assumed that this receiver is kept at the municipal office. When the LEDs glow, the people there can be aware that a manhole lid has broken and they can come to repair it.